Hi, Bree. So glad you were able to finally view those videos. I apologize for that. It took some doing, but I was finally able to troubleshoot. And just so you know what happened, somehow one of my settings got changed to publish the videos as private in YouTube. I don't know how that happened, but as a private um, video, it's not accessible. So once I realized that, I went back and I changed all those. I changed it to public and or not public, but invite, and it's everything works fine. So glad you were able to see that. Sorry for any kind of inconvenience, but anyways, let's go ahead. Everything here is making good sense. I get it. Good rationale, good thinking, and thank you for sharing that. Let's jump over to the composition. Bree, I love this piece. I do. You know, I've been saying that for a while now. I just think it's fantastic. I think the subtlety and the simple layout and the minimal approach works wonders. The way that it's assembled, the way that it's composed indicates depth, which is very interesting, specifically since you have not used overlap or diminishing size. So by sheer placement of the formal elements in the composition, to create depth is no easy task. So I think you did a fantastic job. And that all alludes really to the placement of the rug and the placement of the lamp. So we can clearly see that relationship right there. It clearly indicates that everything in the composition is behind the rug, and the chairs and the table are in front of the lamp. So really good job. I mean, the color scheme I think is perfect. It's perfect because it's very, very tasteful. It's classy, and I think it does exactly what your intent was, and that's to indicate, more of a home than a house. And you nailed it. I think it's fantastic. I have one recommendation, and I'm going to use this right here as a straight edge. This left side of this document, I'm going to use a straight edge. I just want to draw your attention to the alignment, typographic alignment. So I'm going to place that straight edge right at the very end of the S, where the S ends, that curve of the S. When we follow down, that's a perfect place to align that end. So I would recommend you take the byline by Bree Sullivan, just move it to the left till that end is in alignment with the S design. And that's going to really create some visual harmony. I know it seems like a very subtle move, and it is. However, we can clearly see if we take a look at the negative space, we go like this, we can see that this is a little askew. It's almost like looking at a picket on a fence that's crooked. Do you see what I'm saying? And now whether the eye picks it up consciously, it most definitely picks it up on a subconscious level. Whether the viewer sees that consciously or just says, something's weird there. But you definitely get this triangle shape here, indicating an inconsistency in the right alignment. If you pop that over there, you'll see it's gonna pull this into just such gorgeous visual harmony that I think you're going to be really pleased. That is my only recommendation. I think that you've just done a gorgeous job. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, Bree.